So here's my honeybees, the bee swarm that showed up over here on the edge of my property yesterday. Try to keep the camera in focus. And I didn't want to kill them, so I basically put an ad on Craigslist. Said free honeybees, and one guy called and I decided just to go with him. He was the first called, and I've had a lot of other people call since then. So if y'all got any honeybees, just put your ad on Craigslist, and just tell the people that you want them to come get them and use them for honey, and you'll have a lot of beekeepers call you. So I'm kind of waiting on a guy right now to come over and get them. I figured I'd get a head start on the video. They're pretty docile. I'm not a beekeeper by any means. They might know that I'm a little edgy. But I'm probably 2 yards from them, and they don't mind me being here from what I can tell. So I'm gonna get a video of the guy capturing them, and I guess he's gonna bring a bee box, and I'll add that to the end of the video, or this part of the video. Alright, so the bee guy, or the beekeeper, is here, and I didn't realize, but yesterday or last night when I put that on Craigslist, there were a lot more bees, kind of more of a T-picture shape. I'll see if I can get down there and show y'all. Got my camera on the tripod, but on the ground there's a lot of dead bees. So it got cold and some of them died, but the queen's still there. He said this will be really easy to get, and I may set the camera on the tripod when he gets here. I'm not sure what method he's going to use to get them, but we'll all see. Stay tuned. Do me a favor. Just this way or that way? I got a blackberry. Oh, do you? Get it to work, yeah. Got it. Hang on just a second. It says unlock. Okay, I think I'm good. Here we go. Photo. Yeah. All right. You tell me when to take it.
All right, go ahead.
Okay. I got a couple right when you shook it. Did you? Yeah. Good. The easiest swarm you ever got?
That's pretty easy. That's pretty easy. Appreciate it.
So those should do good and multiply and grow.
That'll yeah. That's a they'll every one of them will go in that box here in just a second, and then I'll see we can pull back on it this way, and then I can just put the top on it, and that little reducer. I'll just block it off.
It's just some, I guess, coming back.
Yeah, that.
And wondering what's going on.
You got some that's off like doing their thing. They'll
figure it out.
They'll figure it out, but sometimes you'll see some bees. Now, once I take this high boy, you may see some bees come back to that little area.
Like
it's just that they have that little chemical, little pheromone on that limb.
Now, is it true those bees will find the queen or create one? That's what's crazy.
See, that's what happened with the other hive. Is that it got so big, and that they created another queen cell, and then so they ended up splitting. And see, a lot of people this time of year are already taking, like, you can get in your hives and check them, pull the frames up. On the frames, you'll have like a little peanut hanging off of it, and that's a queen cell. And if it's open, then they've already gotten into it and busted it open and killed that queen. But if it's still intact, a little peanut hanging down, you can take that. You can actually take that frame, put it in another box, and then take brood, frames that's already kind of filled out with honey a little bit. Put it there, and you can take another like 2 frames of bees, shake them in there, and shut them up, and they'll end up, once that queen hatches out, they'll produce. They'll have another. That's what you call splitting.
I didn't know you could do that.
My granddaddy, when they used to swim like that, he used to work in the city, and he'd have people call everything there, he'd take it just to the guy. Some snips, take them, cut the limb off, and just put it in the bottle, put it in his car and bring it home. I'm like,
I saw somebody do that on the internet, a guy in Louisiana, the same guy that didn't have any stuff, and he took some out of the old tire on the ground. It took him a long time on the video. I saw a lot of cuts. But he finally got to the queen and got her in there, and then they eventually made it on in the box. And took him.
Didn't take long to get rid of them.
No, he just kind of took the limb and got the queen in the box.
You just posted it yesterday, huh?
Oh, he was the first one to call. He was talking about how you get an automated service where anything is posted to certain things and sends you a text or email. So this guy would set up like that. So yeah, I told him to call. I probably don't make it. Oh
twice a year. That's about it.
I don't know anything about it.
They do all the work. The only thing that I would suggest if you ever did get back into it is going ahead and buying a striker, a hunting striker, or taking frames. That's saves all the frame. Old school, like whenever you take these frames, you remember, you had to, they weren't plastic.
That's what I was going to ask you. Yeah.
They weren't plastic, they were real wax frames.
Right.
With old wood frame, slick wax down in it. But whenever you about to have a strap, you cut it out. The strain, lash and strain, put it in honeycomb and the jar and all that. But these, what happened is, filled out all the I know who you're talking about. They got I can tell you this, you put another high body on top of that, whatever that is. Fill that up, we'll still have that quality filled up in about a month or so. Once they get a little size to it, and then fill that up, and then put another high body on top of it, and then that's when we put the super on top of that. One super will have 8 pounds. I have seen it where it's going on a good strong high, but I pulled just off 3 honey super last year, gave me 5.5 gallons. That's just off 2 highs, right? That's just off 2 highs. Yeah. And that was just one time. I robbed them early for good something. Give them 5 gallons. Well, 1 gallon weighs, well, you get 3.5, you get about 3.5 gallons off one super in 80 pounds. When you've got 2 high bodies and 2 supers, you can't use that. Not one person.
They're gonna have them hanging there. Drop it in the box.
That queen was up in the middle, falling on the middle. Every 2 feet, a little at a time, and because let's just say if I pick that high up right there, put it on the other side of it, make it on the 2 days, they'll fly out of that. Because they've got like pattern where they're at.
already gave us 3. He put 3 from down payment.
Right, he's gonna love that.
Back down here, just take the top on it. Put these back in there.
Yeah, just pull around by the fence. Come back here when you get ready. I think it's going in from the top.
Maybe coming in from the backside. And I got a couple of frames that I've got birds built out on them. Which is good.
So they'll kind of take to that better once you get in there.
Well, and they don't have to start working as hard to build out, put stuff in it.
They
got 3 frames.
They got some, they have some food there, food for the plane and all that.
Yeah, those kind of swarms like that don't come very often.
Kind of what I was thinking. Y'all get many others? I mean, through the past years?
I got one at Lowe's in Madison one year.
At Lowe's, though.
Sure did.
Dang.
About this time, they put the flowers out. Had a beehive up in the stucco up there, and that just couldn't. It wouldn't hurt anybody. And we getting ready to leave, and they said, "Don't go outside with these." You can see them. They're just strong. But outside the little thing, I walked out there and walked right up there to them and saw where they had landed, where the queen had landed on a, I don't know, it was a flower, 1 gallon pot. We're gonna spray them. I'm like, don't spray them bees. I said, look, I'll just leave them right there. I said, I'll come back late.